Instead of hiring a professional, homeowners now choose DIY to complete any home improvements or shop reinstallation projects. However, cordless power tools are the ultimate way to keep your DIY workflow accurate and effective. With easy operating facility and dependability, the best cordless power tools help you bring commercial-grade outcomes onto every job. So in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best cordless power tools for DIY that have the topmost qualities to meet every need. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Complete all kinds of rough and smooth cutting with the Milwaukee 273620, an easily portable table saw that provides corded-like power with cordless convenience and is ideal for your DIY woodwork projects. Equipped with a Power State brushless motor, this table saw provides 24.5-inch ripping capacity while generating up to 5,800 RPM of speed. The efficient red lithium high-output HD 12.0 battery pack can rip up to 600 linear feet on a single charge and produce up to 15 ampere corded power. Plus, it comes with an 8 1/4-inch hardened blade that lets you get a cutting depth of up to 2.5 inches at a 90-degree angle. Additionally, this table has an all-metal frame that is durable enough to withstand harsh job site conditions, while the rack and pinion fence system allows you to make easy adjustments and get square cuts. To sum it up, the Milwaukee 273620 cordless table saw has amazing portability and corded level power to add pace and precision to every DIY project. Do trouble-free brad nailing with the Porter Cable PCC 790LA, a flexible cordless nailer with easy operable methods and efficiency to ensure your ultimate DIY job convenience. Featuring a powerful motor, this 18-gauge brad nailer kit delivers a constant nailing power to complete applications on various materials and job site conditions. Plus, it runs on a 20-volt, 4.0 ampere lithium-ion battery that lets you fire up to 1,300 nails per charge, eliminating the need for costly gas cartridges, compressor, hose, and all the cord-related issues. Besides, this tool features a tool-free stall release lever and a depth adjustment wheel so that you can have good countersinking of brad nails in every project. In addition to that, it comes with multifunctional dual LED lights that illuminate your workplace for a clear view and prevent error indication. In short, you can take on all kinds of tough DIY projects with this Porter Cable PCC 790LA, as it holds standout features with optimum cordless convenience. From wood carving to confined area sanding, pick the Dremel 8220 and get them done in a breeze. A multi-purpose rotary tool that enhances your versatile tasks with exceptional features. Packed with 28 high-quality Dremel accessories and one attachment kit, this rotary tool assists you in different working conditions like engraving, polishing, detail sanding, and more. Running on a powerful 12-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers more runtime than the previous models while speeding between 5,000 and 30,000 RPM. This rotary tool has a quick collet lock for fast accessory changing, meaning you can switch to your different tasks in a time-saving way. Moreover, you'll get ultimate comfort in tight spaces because of its ergonomic body and 360-degree grip zone. Besides, the plastic storage case allows you to store accessories conveniently. To summarize, with a compact and lightweight rotary tool with versatile working abilities, your task will become as easy as ABC, and this Dremel 8220 is a great option to grab onto. Now get your hands on the ultimate cutting solution for your DIY projects, the Makita SH02Z, an ultra-compact cutting tool to do the easy cutting on plywood, drywall, melamine, and more. Running on a 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion battery, this circular saw comes in a lightweight design and comfortable size, giving you added capacities to do the efficient cutting. Engineered with a powerful Makita built-in motor, it generates up to 1,500 RPM of speed, letting you complete jobs quickly with precision. Plus, the 3 3/8 inch hardly made blade of this compact circular saw provides you with a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch to handle a wide array of applications. Also, you can adjust the cutting depth at both 45 or 90-degree angles, while the base can be tilted at up to 45-degree angles for accurate bevel cuts. So get yourself the Makita SH02Z to enjoy superior cordless convenience with the power you need at the price you want. Experience the fastest cutting facilities and excellent productivity with the GOP18V Oscillating Multi-Tool from Bosch, a versatile solution for cutting wood, drywall, nails, metal pipes, and many more objects. Featuring the StarLock Plus 3D tool accessory interface, this compact tool ensures the sturdiest grip and greatest torque transfer in the category for maximum performance. Plus, it comes with the EC brushless 18-volt motor technology that delivers up to 20,000 oscillations per minute and 30% more power, letting you complete tasks quickly. Weighing in at only 2.7 pounds, this lightweight tool runs on an 18-volt lithium-ion battery to provide substantial runtime. Apart from that, the built-in LED provides great illumination for low-light workspaces, while the multi-soft grip areas allow you to operate with extended comfort and control. With industry-leading compatibility and lightweight design, this Bosch GOP18V will live up to all your expectations while taking any DIY oscillation task in hand. Get ultimate drilling confidence with the DEWALT DCD771C2, a compact cordless drill that comes with a high-performance motor to handle any DIY drilling or fastening project with added enhancement. Despite being cordless, this drill machine delivers corded-type performance with its high-class motor while delivering up to 300 unit watts of power to compete with a wide variety of applications. Plus, it has a high-speed transmission rate and generates 2 speed modes of up to 450 and 1500 RPM, meaning you can take over any low or heavy-duty fastening and drilling operations with proper reliance. In addition to that, the half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck of this drill gives you a tight bit of gripping strength for secured applications, while the ergonomic handle lets you operate with ultimate comfort and control. So if you're up to purchasing a cordless drill with corded-type performance for your DIY or home improvement projects, then this DEWALT DCD771C2 will be worth checking out indeed. Complete sanding in a proper and effortless way with the BLACK+DECKER BDCM S20C, the most compact and handy sheet sander in the class with a huge charging lifespan. This cordless tool features a high-efficient motor that helps you to do quick and precise debris removal with up to 12,000 oscillations per minute. You can effectively complete all those sanding projects and all those hard-to-reach surfaces with the detailed finger attachment of this tool, while the 2-position grip offers you another level of control to tackle the toughest applications. Packed with a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, this durable sheet sander can hold the charge for up to 18 months, which makes it an exception in the category. With a hook and loop system for easy changing of sandpaper, ergonomic design for tight spaces, and onboard dust collection for cleaner work area, this cordless sheet sander makes your job way more convenient and efficient. In summary, if your next DIY project includes some confined area sanding and tasks where you need to remove some materials, then you should check out this BLACK+DECKER BDCM S20C at least once. So that was a list of the 7 best cordless power tools for DIY that we've chosen especially for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
You can go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.